intensity tester assembly and disassembly video. First, prepare a screwdriver, and then remove this screw. Don't press down on the screw when removing it. Be sure to remove it gently. I just remove it like this. Just gently unscrew it. Take it off. Then the four corners can be propped up here. If it doesn't work, just find something. It's hollow here. Then turn it over like this. Don't let it. Don't press on the head of the sensor. Don't press the head of the sensor. Don't press this head. Turn it over. Then remove the screw. Remove the screw. Unscrew the screw. After removing the screw, open it here. Loosen this corner a little bit. It will open. Turn it over. And gently lift it up. Then, pull out this wire here. Gently pull it out. Just this wire. Just pull it out gently. Pull it out gently. Then pull out this line. You can pull it out. Be careful when pulling it out. Be careful not to touch the sensor. Just pull it out. You can ask someone to hold this down, and then pull it out yourself. Okay. This is the sensor. This is the sensor. Check to see if there's anything here. Press hard on this place. This is the sensor. Check all of these. If not, just put it back in place. Just put it back like this. Plug it back in like this. This place is where it goes back. Don't force it. Align them and then insert them back. Then close it. After assembling, turn it over. Then screw this screw back on. This is where it goes back. Turn it over. First, use your hands to tighten this screw gently. Tighten it gently before using it. Use the screwdriver to tighten it until you feel it's tight.